Ever started a chilly morning in the woods with disappointment because your coffee tasted like regret? That ends now. Today we're uncovering the top 6 best camping coffee percolator and welcome you to the channel for honest gear that brews rich flavor outdoors. Stay tuned for expert picks and grab your perfect camp coffee maker through the links in the description. The number 6 product on our list is KingCamp Coffee Percolator. Cold mornings outdoors reveal a harsh truth. Bad coffee can ruin the entire camp mood. This stainless steel brew setup brings order to that chaos with fast heating and a clean, bold pour that feels earned after a long night outside. Built tough for campfires and stoves, it handles open flames with ease, while the wooden handle keeps hands calm and steady. The generous capacity suits small groups, turning quiet mornings into shared moments. Brewing stays simple and consistent, which matters when you are half awake and miles from home. Compared with lightweight aluminum pots, it feels heavier in a pack, but rewards you with durability and richer flavor control. This fits campers, overlanders, and outdoor cooks who care about reliable morning rituals and real taste. Often mentioned alongside the top 6 best camping coffee percolator options, it turns sunrise into something worth waking up for. At number 5 is COLETTI Classic Enamel Coffee Percolator. Morning air hits harder when the coffee tastes thin and metallic, and that disappointment lingers longer than the cold. This old-school brew style restores comfort with solid steel construction that feels dependable beside a crackling fire. Heat spreads evenly, producing a bold cup without fuss, while the glass knob lets you time the pour just right. The hanging handle works smoothly over flames, easing camp routines. Compared with lightweight aluminum kettles, it weighs more in a pack, yet repays that cost with sturdiness and clean flavor. It suits campers who value ritual, strong coffee, and gear that ages with character. Families, overlanders, and traditionalists will appreciate the generous capacity and simple upkeep. Often mentioned in conversations around the top 6 best camping coffee percolator picks, it turns early starts into calm moments. When dawn breaks and boots are still wet, this pot makes the day feel grounded and ready. At number 4 is MEREZA Coffee Percolator. Bad coffee feels even worse when you are far from home and running on cold air and tired legs. This stainless build changes that mood fast by delivering a bold, steady brew without complicated steps. Heat rises evenly, water boils quickly, and the process stays simple enough for early mornings or emergency outages. The rugged body handles campfires, grills, and kitchen stoves with equal ease, bringing relief when power disappears. Cleaning takes moments, which matters when daylight is limited. Compared with enamel styles, it feels more modern and lighter to carry, though it lacks the nostalgic look some campers love. This suits campers, overlanders, and home users who want reliable hot coffee anywhere without fragile parts. Often discussed among camping coffee percolator favorites, it balances durability, speed, and capacity. When mornings start rough and energy runs low, this pot helps reset the rhythm and makes the day feel possible again. The third one on our list is Mixpresso Coffee Percolator. Most camps wake up slowly until the first pot starts bubbling, and suddenly everyone is alert. This stainless build brings that moment reliably, with fast heat flow and a generous 12-cup capacity that serves groups without constant refills. Brewing stays simple and visual, letting you watch strength develop and pull it at the right moment. The handle stays cool, the spout pours clean, and cleanup is quick after sunrise chaos. Compared with enamel options, it feels more modern and packs easier, though the polished finish shows fingerprints. It suits families, RV travelers, and campers who want steady flavor on stoves or fires. In conversations about camping coffee percolator choices, it stands out for speed and consistency. When mornings are cold and plans are big, this pot delivers warmth and momentum, turning groggy starts into shared smiles and energized trails. On number 2 is Stansport Coffee Percolator. Morning fog lifts faster when a simple pot delivers real coffee instead of disappointment. This lightweight aluminum brewer heats quickly, turning cold campsites into welcoming spaces in minutes. The smooth pour spout keeps hands steady, while dual handles make lifting safer near open flames. Built for easy use, it avoids complicated parts and focuses on dependable brewing that feels familiar. The included filters reduce stray grounds and soften bitterness, a small relief that matters at sunrise. Compared with heavier steel options, it packs lighter and heats faster, though it can dent if handled roughly. This fits campers, scouts, and budget-minded outdoor cooks who want straightforward results without extra weight. Often discussed alongside Camping Coffee Percolator picks, it balances simplicity and speed. When the day demands energy before adventure, this pot answers with warmth, aroma, and a reliable start that pulls everyone closer to the fire. Now moving to the last one is COLETTI Bozeman Coffee Percolator. Few things expose bad gear faster than a cold dawn when coffee tastes thin and metallic. This stainless build restores the ritual with clean materials and steady heat that draws out bold flavor slowly. Watching the brew rise through the glass top turns waiting into part of the morning calm. It works over campfires and stoves without fragile pieces, easing stress when packing light matters. Cleanup stays simple, a quick rinse and back to the trail. Compared with lighter aluminum pots, it carries more weight but rewards that choice with richer taste and long-term durability. Campers who value tradition, strong coffee, and reliable tools will feel at home here. Often mentioned alongside the top 6 best camping coffee percolator discussions, it suits overlanders, families, and early risers who want mornings to feel grounded. When steam curls into cold air, this pot makes the day feel ready to begin. Among all the winner is Stansport Coffee Percolator, because it delivers simplicity, heat control, easy pouring, and reliable campfire flavor. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best camping coffee percolator. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.